Hi, I'm Bambi Blood Lust, and today I'm going to teach you how I do one of my favorite tricks, the soul grind.
Mama said it's time to eat. Come on. Woo. All right. Through your bowl. Oh, come on down to the water and oh, get back down. Oh, relax your goals, baby.
So the first step of doing this grind is to practice the stall. You'll want one foot going parallel to the coping, and the foot in front is going to be going perpendicular to the coping. Instead of having your toe pointing out, you're going to flip it and point it towards your other foot.
You need some etiquette. Number up, I want your love. I said,
Once you're comfortable with that stall, you'll want to combo it with a deep pump and a nice swooping arc of your carve so you get some speed and momentum.
you know it. You want it. You only got one shot.
Once you're rolling on the coping, you'll want to hang on for as long as you possibly can. You'll have to lean your weight a little bit into the ramp and kind of put some tweak on your ankles so you can avoid popping up onto the deck. My favorite way to exit this grind is to enjoy the roll as long as I possibly can and try to come off fluidly without stopping. Once you exit the grind, you're ready for your next trick. Thanks everybody for watching. I can't wait to see all your soul grinds.